We want to solve the simultaneous equations. X squared plus y squared is 25 and y is 3/4 x. Now, I'd hope that you'd recognise that this is a circle, centre the origin, radius 5. So we'll go through these points here. Now, if you've got equal aspect, you'll be able to use a compass to get, or a pair of compasses, to get a good circle here. I don't. I'm going to put on some extra points that I know will be on this circle, such as this one here, and this one here, and this one here, that one, that one, that one, and that one. I'll explain how I got those at the end of the recording. So let's draw the circle, and you can see this looks a little bit oval, which is why, apart from the fact I'm on a computer screen, that I couldn't use a pair of compasses, because clearly the x and y aspect is not quite the same. Anyway, that's the x squared plus y squared equals 25. Now we've got y equals 3/4 x, which is a straight line. So I'm going to go for -8, 0, and 8. Substituting -8 in there is 3/4 times -8. So that would cancel there to give me -2. So that's -6, 0, and this one would be 6. And so we can put those on. -8, -6, 0, 0, and 8, 6. And then we'll draw a straight line through those. And it goes like that. And this one is y is 3/4 x. And then we can see that we have a solution just there and a solution just there. And so this solution is that x equals -4 and y equals -3. And this one up here is that x is 4 and y is 3. Now, as to how I got these points, the radius we know is 5, that's 4, and that's 3. So I know that's 5 because it's a right angle triangle. So I just used Pythagoras' theorem to get those extra points.